was crucial to the unification of the nation. He expressed hopes that the statue would stand as a lasting symbol of courage, harmony, and patriotism, inspiring future generations to carry forward these ideals. The Chief Minister also called upon all citizens to embrace Patel's vision and work together towards building a stronger, more united India. Manipur also joined the rest of the country in celebrating Unity Day across the state. The state-level celebration was held at the parade ground of Manipur Rifles in Imphal, with Forest Environment and Climate, Agriculture, Power, Science and Technology Minister Thongam Biswajit as the chief guest. The program also attended by various ministers, MLAs, the Chief Secretary, DGP and other high-ranking government officials. So Minister Biswajit taking the salute from the march past contingents and inspecting the parade. IRB Commandant Sarangthem Hemanta served as the parade commander, leading a march past comprising 15 contingents, including 5 band platoons. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biswajit recalled the immense role played by Sardar Patel during his lifetime in uniting the country and stressed the importance of living together with a spirit of oneness and unity. The ministers also led the gathering in an oath for unity, reaffirming a commitment to the ideals upheld by Patel.
I solemnly place that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this place in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and action of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country.
The Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also commemorated the Unity Day today alongside the 40th death anniversary of the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. As a part of the observance, floral tribute were paid to Sardar Patel and Indira Gandhi, led by Congress Working Committee member Gaikhangam. The program also witnessed the presence of Congress MLA T.A.S. Lokeswar, Working President of MPCC Victor Kaising and Mohammad Fazur Rahim, among other office bearers of the MPCC and frontal members. CWC member Gaikhangam recalled the immense role played by Sardar Patel in a nation's building and stressed the need of following the footsteps of Sardar Patel by one and all.
Iron Man of India is a Kangnava, Sadapa, Masi, Indiana, now independent Pangamatunda, Deputy Prime Minister, Home Minister of India, Kanva, at the woman, Bagamba, Shakil, Baliva, or never hide. No, he decision. I'm some strong decision. India unity said India Indian Hava, India in same Kibadu. No, he would go to the Huzikanisida, Indiraji Gumba, Sadar Vallabhbhai Patel Gumba. Tonaleba, Chumbada, Mating Tokna, Levagamaka, Itawai, Kalos Katige, Haidanaka Tokumel, leadership, Equiam, Tokai, Manipur, India, say, Mase, Yikmayan, Pushaladuna, and Kamata, Tokaita, Zige Haida, Singaram, Masibu, not Toxi Habitat of a day, Chigumba. Tonalebi, Indiragumbi, Tonaleba, Vallabhbhai Patel Gumba, Erecta, leadership, change, Matotai, hypothesis.
Unity Day was also observed across various district headquarters in Manipur, organized by respective district administrations. The main events of the observance included a unity run and a unity pledge. The Thoubal and Tamenglong district, the celebrations were led by the respective deputy commissioners. In Churachandpur and Kakching districts, the events were spearheaded by the superintendents of police. In None and Kangpokpe district, the observance was led by the additional district magistrate, while in Technopol district, the SDC took the initiative. During today's state-level Unity Day celebrations at Fasama Parade Ground, Minister Thongam Biswajit conveyed that the BJP anticipates enrolling at least 3 lakh new members by November 15th as part of their ongoing membership drive. Responding to a questions from ISCOM News regarding the recent visit of BJP National Spokesperson Sambit Patra while speaking on the sidelines of the event, the minister expressed confidence that the party would secure over 50% of the votes in the upcoming elections, a significant increase from the 37% garnered in the previous elections. He noted that online registrations have already exceeded 2 lakh among youth, although some challenges exist due to lack of mobile phone access for many individuals, leading to an increase in offline registrations. Minister Biswajit indicated that the votes from individuals enrolled through the BJP's membership drive are effectively secured by the party.
Bharatiya Janata Party ki ngasi miyam na khanbi rebe koi leriba vote percentage sharing do akhoi da handaba leite hena henkal aga chatli habisi ma ai miyam na thamjik madu da akhoi da ming chali je koi nampu hapu da chanba amata thengna de thengju thengna biro mon lewi aduna mahsi na tagli bade akhoi BJP da ming janing na chali basi ma hayeng adum vote akhoi da pigani adu akhoi da laigani because manam di miyam puna ma akhoi gi thaudo amada accidentally thokpa po amada thengna badun amani tabu miyam khudum ahong pami aduga chawkhatpa pami aduga nungai yai phawi imung aduga naharon singna makhoi gi akhoi leiriba generation gi afaba pambanina BJP ni madu piraga lakpanina adu makhada ju pirakani haibige thajabaga lorina people.
During a groundbreaking operations by the security forces, a significant case of arms and equipment was recovered from Panjang village located in the upper reaches of the Thangjing Range under Churachandpur police station in Churachandpur district. The recovered items included 2 rockets approximately 8 feet in length, 2 rockets around 7 feet, 2 large country-made mortars, 1 medium-sized country-made mortar, 3 improvised mortar bombs, a radio set and 2 country-made grenades. The operations aimed to strengthen security measures and address any threats in these sensitive areas. It is worth noting that earlier on September 6th afternoon at around 3 p.m., a rocket triggered by suspected Kuki militants had killed a 70-year-old man at the residence of former Chief Minister M. Koireng in Bisnupur district and injured 5 others as posted by the Manipur police in its social media handle X and Facebook. In a significant operations on the eve of Diwali, the Assam Rifles reportedly recovered 90,000 Yaba tablets from the Narangbari area yesterday. The operations led to the apprehension of 2 individuals and the seizure of a vehicle. The detailed suspects, along with the confiscated drugs, were handed over to the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence (DRI) in Agartala for further investigations. Acting on specific intelligence, the Assam Rifles executed a well-coordinated operation that resulted in the recovery of a substantial quantity of Yaba tablets, estimated to be worth around 18 crore rupees in the international market. Officials stated that this anti-drug initiative highlights the Assam Rifles' steadfast commitment to combating drug trafficking and illegal smuggling activities in the region. In another significant crackdown on drug smuggling, a joint operation conducted by the Assam Rifles and the Excise and Narcotics Department in Champhai resulted in the seizure of a heroin and marijuana valued over 13 lakh rupees in Champhai district in Mizoram. Acting on specific intelligence, the team recovered 10.7 grams of heroin, number 4 and 8 kilograms of marijuana. During the operations, 1 individual identified as 39-year-old Thang Liam Manga and residents of Champhai was apprehended. The seized drugs and the detained individuals have been handed over to the Excise and Narcotics Department, Champhai, for further legal proceedings. Now the headlines once again. Nationwide Unity Day celebrated in honor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's 150th birth anniversary. Manipur joins in tribute. BJP aims high with 3 lakh rupees members targeted by November 15th in ambitious membership drive. Groundbreaking security operations results in recovery of 4 rockets in Churachandpur. And major drug bust as Assam Rifles seized 90,000 Yaba tablets worth 18 crore rupees in Narangbari. Now that's all in this bulletin. Keep watching ISCOM English News.